Hello, welcome back to Morning Sun Homestead. Today we're going to be making pumpkin cookies from our home canned pumpkin. For the pumpkin cookie recipe, we're going to be using our homemade stick butter, which the link will be below, and also our home canned pumpkin. The link for that will also be below. Dump all the ingredients into a mid-sized bowl and stir after each addition. The baking sheet needs to be greased. We use lard. The link will be posted below. Cook on cast iron because of health benefits, but any cookie sheet will work. The cookies are dropped by teaspoon size onto the greased sheet. Many can fit on a single sheet because the cookies do not spread out. The pumpkin cookies need to bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. We don't have a cooling rack, so I just use a rack from out of an old stove that we used to have, and it works just as well.